Spigen makes some really good cases and screen protectors for the brand new iPhone 15 Pro, and today we're going to be testing out their clear Glastr Easy Fit screen protector and their tempered glass privacy screen protector. And you're definitely going to want to stick around to the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch and a drop test for both these screen protectors as well. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not these screen protectors are right for you. And as always, I will be putting links in the video description in case you guys want to pick these up yourself. So let's get started. And here we have the Spigen Glastr Easy Fit Clear Screen Protector. We get 2 clear tempered glass screen protectors, an installation packet, and a really nice squeegee. Take one of your screen protectors, remove the back protector, and then just place this over your phone. Then run your finger down the middle and wait for 30 seconds. Then push down on the guide, remove your sticker, and then pull up on the guide. Peel off the top protector, and then remove any bubbles you might see with the squeegee. That was a really nice installation, and the screen protector looks beautiful. There are no bubbles, no lifting, no dust. It looks really good. As far as touch goes, super smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone. The edges are also nicely rounded off, and this is a full coverage screen protector, which means it does cover your selfie camera. As far as fingerprints goes, it does pick up some fingerprints, but you can easily just wipe those away. No problem. Let's check out our Face ID. Face ID works fine. Touch is working fine as well. As you can see, it's nice and clear. There is also a slight raised edge all the way around the phone as well for case compatibility. So let's put it in our case. Let's also test out that camera. Camera looks nice and clear, don't see any issues there. So as you can see, there is a slight gap all the way around the case. So it doesn't actually touch the case itself, which is good for case compatibility. And it should be compatible with most cases. This is also in the Spigen Rugged Armor case in case you're wondering. So everything looks good so far. Now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. So we're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a height of 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll move it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So here we go at 2 feet. Here we go at 3 feet. So this screen protector only lasted up until a 3-foot drop, which is not the worst, but it's not anywhere close to being the best. So now let's move on to the scratch test. So we're going to start off with a number 5. And then move on to a number 6, and then a number 7. So if we look a little closer, we can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are slight at a number 6 and a little deeper at a number 7. So scratch resistance is a little bit better than regular tempered glass. So installation for the screen protector was really easy. It also does seem to be case friendly. Drop protection unfortunately wasn't really that good, but scratch protection seems to be a little bit better than regular tempered glass. Now because of the drop protection, I would not recommend the screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs down. And then here we have the Spigen tempered glass privacy screen protectors. So again, we'd get 2 privacy tempered glass screen protectors, an installation packet, and a squeegee. So again, take one of your screen protectors, peel off the back protector, and then place the whole guide over your phone, press it into place, and then slide your finger down the middle and wait 30 seconds. Once that's done, hold down on the guide. We're going to peel up the sticker, and then lift up on the guide and peel up the top protector. And if you see any bubbles, you can use the squeegee to get those out. We have a little one right down here. So again, another super easy installation, no bubbles, no dust. Absolutely love it. Now this is also a full coverage screen protector, but they put a little clear piece right where your cameras and sensors are, so you don't have to worry about it interfering with your selfies. This screen protector also does have a nice gap all the way around the screen for case compatibility. As far as touch goes, again, super smooth, just like the glass that's on your phone. The edges of the screen are also nicely rounded off. As far as fingerprints, it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but again, you can just very easily wipe those away. I love how smooth the screen is. Let's test out our Face ID. Face ID working fine. Now, because this is a privacy screen protector, you can see how dull the screen is, so you may have to up the brightness to make it look just like a clear screen protector, which will definitely increase your battery drain. But it is nice and clear, touch working perfectly fine, and you can see that the camera is also nice and clear. The screen has no effect on that. So let's put it in our case. Fits really nice. There is still a gap around the front of the screen, as you can see, so it doesn't actually come right up to the edge of the case. Again, there's no bubbles, no lifting, which is good. And if you're wondering, this case is the Spigen Rugged Armor. Fits perfectly within this case. Then let's check out that privacy protection. Now this only works side to side. It does not work up and down. So again, everything looks pretty good. Now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. Here we go at 2 feet. Here we go 3 feet. So this screen protector only lasted up until a 3-foot drop, which is pretty close to being the worst. So now let's move on to the scratch test. So we're going to start off at a number 5, and then move on to a number 6, and then finally a number 7. So if we take a closer look, you can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are slight at a number 6, and a little deeper with some gouges at a number 7. So scratch resistance for this tempered glass seems to be a little bit better than regular tempered glass. So installation for the screen protector was super easy. It also does seem to be case friendly. Drop protection is close to being some of the worst, but scratch resistance seems to be a little bit better than regular tempered glass. So because of the drop protection, I wouldn't recommend the screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs down. So as you saw, for both these screen protectors, they really don't have the best drop protection, but everything else seems to be pretty good. Knowing all that, will you guys be picking either one of these up? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys do want to pick these up, I will be putting links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out my channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.